have a problem here right now. This is a Honda lawn mower. Okay. Harmony 2 HRR 216. It will not start. You want to put the fuel switch to on. This is off position, so you put it to on. Okay. Nothing, and nothing. So, well, usually that's a problem. At least from my experience with lawn mowers, I've been through like a few of them, and I fixed some of a friend's lawn mower. The first thing you want to check here is the spark plug. So we're going to go and check the spark plug and see if it's any good. Alright. So now let's go and check and see what's going on with the spark plug. I'm going to use my socket wrench to remove the spark plug. Alright. And it looks like this is pretty burnt up, so this might be the problem here. So I'm gonna go to Lowe's real quick, or Home Depot, and see if I can purchase a brand new spark plug for this lawnmower. See you when I come back. Okay, so now I got me the brand new spark plug specifically for Honda. Spark plug BPR 5ES, and that's exactly the specs of that one right there. So let's open this up and we're gonna install it and see if that will take care of our problem. Brand new. Okay, see, in comparison to the old one, wow. Okay, now I'm going to install this new spark plug and see if that will take care of our problem. First by hand. And then I use my socket wrench to tighten up. Okay. Now, put this back until it clicks. There. And let's see if it starts. And we put the fuel switch to on. And let's see if it starts.